You see, if we have a very long way to go. You know, an Igbo man will hurt himself, and then he'll be looking for who he will blame for his mistake. If we had a as Igbo shine he has seen a shimp an Igbo man will not agree that he made the mistake. He will look for who to blame for it. One of Rihanna social media every day about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I said, let me talk about it one more time. I just closed from school now, guys. You see, I don't know why social media handlers or owners think they can bring Ebuka Obi down. Whether you guys like it or not, you see, presently, as we speak today, when Christianity is concerned in Nigeria, you see Evangelist Ebuka Obi, you see Pastor Jerry Eze. They are the leading and the most popular. When I'm talking about popularity, I am talking about internationally recognized. The way TB Joshua was recognized before he died. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Prophet Ebuka Obi, and Pastor Jerry Eze are the mouthpiece of Igbo people as far as Christianity is concerned. Every other ones who are popular or doing well are also good, but I'm talking about people who are internationally recognized. These two men of God I mentioned, you can actually worship with them even without going to church, from home, and you will get everything you want from home, from God, sitting down in your house. I don't know why people think that as popular as Ebuka Obi, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is, that he needs a small girl from somewhere to come and testify for him to become more popular, for people to believe that, okay, on our fools, or yeah, he's doing wonders, or he's powerful. So if Evangelist Ebuka Obi actually wants to arrange for testimony or miracle, he cannot get a man that he can use for it. He cannot get somebody who is actually looking very presentable, very rich. He cannot get a man that he can pay good amount of money to do it. You see, when things are happening like this, most of you be shouting up and down, yeah. When Zion Ministry or legal team of Zion Ministry finishes their investigation and that lady is arrested, detained, to provide the people that sent her, all of you will still come out to say, he's not behaving like Jesus Christ. You will start using Jesus as example that Christ forgave. You start preaching forgiveness. Now, Borala views on top of somebody's downfall, tarnishing the image of a young man who has dedicated his life through Catholic Church to serve God. And it's even annoying and surprising that it's even some reverend fathers who are doing everything, fighting tooth and nail to bring him down. It is painful. He is helping to promote your church that your reverend fathers cannot even convince one single soul to join Catholic. Ebuka Obi is doing, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing what your reverend fathers can do, what your bishops can do. Okay, this video is not for reverend fathers, but I just use it as reference. I don't know why you guys think that Evangelist Ebuka Obi will have to bring himself down low. What is he looking for? Is it money? Is it popularity? As in, what actually do you think that will prompt Evangelist Ebuka Obi to go and start looking for who he's going to use and arrange to prove what to you guys, if I may ask? And the people dragging him, even on social media, are Igbo people, content creators that are Igbos, not Hausas, not Yorubas. When I do my content about relationship and I mention Igbo men, Igbo tradition, you guys will be like, yeah, why am I mentioning Igbo? I should balance it, Yoruba and Hausa. It's Igbo people that are dragging him, no be Yoruba people, no be Hausa people. And most of these content creators are men, Igbo men, that their pages are popular, doing this thing. It's just to tell you how evil our people are. See these things we are doing now, the repercussions are coming. When it will happen, we will look for Ebuka Obi, we will not go find them. There was a time for the rent. That time, Igbo people dragged him. But there was no media, there was no internet that time. There was no Facebook, no social media. So it was just on papers we used to read about the dragging and rumors in the village. Father Mbaka was reigning, that time he faced his own challenges too. But that time there was no social media per se. Today is Ebuka Obi, and it's also Igbo people that are dragging them. These people I mentioned. We need to stop. Come to Igbo cyberspace. The saga we've had for years in Igbo cyberspace is between Ogechi and Igbo people. Any of these Igbo people that have been dragging Ogechi for years, ask them, what did Ogechi do to you personally? None of them will mention a single thing. The only thing you will hear is that she bullied me. And I will ask you again, how did she meet you to start bullying you? Did she come to your house? Maybe you look for her, come to her page. And before she will bully you, you must have insulted her. The way some of you are insulting me, when I bring out your picture, post your mother and your father, then you will now claim innocent, you didn't do me anything. There is no human being or page owner that will pick you out if you did not insult the person first. That is how it is. There is this woman that married an Hausa man, Mariam Justice too. Today, she's acting innocent, trying to paint to be innocent of what is happening. I saw a post she made a few hours ago that her name is ringing everywhere. That is what she wants. Cheap popularity. It is because of this cheap popularity that is the reason why she involved herself into the mess she's in today. The people she took to Abuja for Ogechi's arrest are now the ones exposing everything that happened, and those people will still turn back. It's a matter of time to drag her. They go sagara. She decided to dine with pigs, and her body will definitely be dirty. I made 2 videos and I told her to withdraw herself from this social media saga people. But she wants this popularity. She wants to always be exalted. That is what caused her problem with Ogechi. All these things are still pull him down syndrome. Today she brought out her NGO. NGO was what Ogechi was doing on social media. This woman came and categorically stated that she will close down Ogechi's NGO that Ogechi is using to scam people. I have the video of what I'm saying where she stated it. Okay, and today she brought us her own NGO, so people will be clapping for her as Igbo. Ogechi is not Igbo, but she is Igbo. You know, Igbo people, we need to change. If we don't change, we will continue to be despite our wisdom, our money, our exposure, we will continue to be relegated to the background as far as Nigeria is concerned. You see, this is the reason why an Hausa man does not trust an Igbo person for you to become their president. A Yoruba man will rather, you know, join an Hausa man, promote Hausa to become president, and they will become vice, instead of giving it to Igbo people. They don't trust you people because of your character. An Igbo man will become Senate president today. Is another Igbo person that will now go and discover that he committed one crime sometime, or he does not have complete certificate. An Hausa man who did not even finish secondary school, or Yoruba man who did not even finish primary school become the president. You will never see a Yoruba person come out to drag him. Igbo people, we need to change. And we come out here every day talking about what is happening in abroad. Same Igbo people, we want to suffocate it, claiming is not true. I am deceiving young ladies. Everything I'm saying on these platforms are as a result of people's complaint. If you want to know what my Igbo married women are facing abroad, open a page and start handling relationship content. You will understand. You will understand the reason why I make the post I make. Most of our brothers are abroad. Our Igbo people need to do better. We were once being respected and exalted as a tribe. Today is going down the drain. We need to change. And let me just say this before I close this video. There is nothing you people do that will bring Ebuka Obi down. Bringing a testifier is nothing to me. It can happen anywhere. You just go and bring somebody, whether he's staged or he's not staged. It does not have anything to do with Ebuka Obi. You people can go and gather more people to come and testify. It doesn't change anything. And it will not change somebody like me, my opinion about Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi is more clean than most pastors we have in Nigeria. Ebuka Obi is more clean than most reverend fathers we have in Nigeria. Ebuka Obi has said it over and over that he has never touched any woman since he was born till today. How many reverend fathers will come out to say that the same thing? A word is enough for the wise. This is Daisy's Empire. I keep saying those things that most of you are afraid of talking about, and we must change. Even if everybody doesn't change, at least majority of us, it will affect us positively. Share this video. Love you guys.